everybody. You sit down and be polite like Passy. Look at Passy and Eddie. They are good examples. Very good examples. Honey, are you getting Passy and Eddie?
I'm getting everybody.
Okay. Here comes Din Din. Here comes Din Din. Here we go, Cuppy. Taffy. Here, Taffy. You come over here. There you go. There, Passy. Oh, he's so cute. He's so hungry.